สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันกิตยาค่ะ Hi everyone, I am Kitaya. Welcome to tpod101.com's Learn Thai in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Thai. In the last lesson, we learned how to ask where questions in Thai. This time, we are going to ask when questions. Let's go! ไปกันเลยค่ะ Imagine you want to ask when your roommate is coming back. You will ask him, คุณจะกลับมาเมื่อไหร่ คุณจะกลับมาเมื่อไหร่ So let's break down this question. คุณ is you. And then we have จะกลับมา which can be translated as will come back. And finally, we have เมื่อไหร่ which is the basic translation of when in Thai. So, altogether, it is คุณจะกลับมาเมื่อไหร่ When will you come back? How about trying to say when did you arrive? It's really simple since it's exactly the same pattern. คุณมาถึงเมื่อไหร่ Literally, you arrive when. คุณมาถึงเมื่อไหร่ Have you noticed a difference between the sentence คุณจะกลับมาเมื่อไหร่ and คุณมาถึงเมื่อไหร่ The first one is talking about the future action. When are you coming back? Whereas the second one is referring to the past. When did you arrive? So you can use the question word เมื่อไหร่ to talk about any time, whether past or present. If you want to ask a question about duration as in, since when have you been a teacher? Then you will have to say คุณเป็นอาจารย์ตั้งแต่เมื่อไหร่ Here too, it's exactly the same as in English because since is ตั้งแต่ So ตั้งแต่เมื่อไหร่ means since when. Let's see how to ask until when in Thai. It is very easy. It becomes จนถึงเมื่อไหร่ So for example, if you want to ask a friend until when are you going to stay here? It will be คุณจะอยู่ที่นี่จนถึงเมื่อไหร่ Literally, you will stay here until when. But of course, there are other ways to ask about time. You can even be more specific by asking about the year, the date, or the hour. For example, you can ask, which year did you start working? คุณเริ่มทำงานปีไหน What time will we meet? เราจะเจอกันกี่โมง Now it's time for Kitaya's quick tips. To ask how long an action has been taking place in Thai, we could say นานเท่าไหร่ You can also add the verb in front of the sentence if you want to be more specific. For example, ต้องรอนานเท่าไหร่ How long do you have to wait? Before ending this lesson, let's go back and look at all the ways to translate when in Thai. เมื่อไหร่ is the basic when, as in คุณจะกลับมาเมื่อไหร่ ตั้งแต่เมื่อไหร่ means since when, as in คุณเป็นอาจารย์ตั้งแต่เมื่อไหร่ จนถึงเมื่อไหร่ which is the direct translation of until when, as in คุณจะอยู่ที่นี่จนถึงเมื่อไหร่ Okay, so in this lesson, we learned how to use the Thai word for when, เมื่อไหร่ and also its different variations. Next lesson, we will learn more about asking questions with who in Thai. I'll be waiting for you in the next Learn Thai in 3 minutes. สวัสดีค่ะ